Hi, I'm back again. So now I'm going to put the e-comb on my head. See? And it just basically holds everything. So now I'm going to do the beehive, or whatever you want to call it, hairstyle, which it can be like this. But what I did is, I think I kind of like twisted it. Yeah, I mean, you can leave your hair out like this if you want. That's cute. So it could be like that, or if you want to do like a side kind of poof going on. I'm giving you hair ideas. Yeah, it's cute. So, so you can just, how did I do it? Sorry girls, this happened by accident, like I said before, so it's not like I practiced this. Okay, I think what I did was I kind of like made it into like one big braid. Yes, so I separated it like into 3 sections, and not very even sections, just like so.